We got a Ranger 570 EFI with an ignition that won't turn anymore. It'll go to the on position, and sometimes you can hear the fuel pump cut on. There it goes. But then you can't turn it any more than that. So to get access to this, Polaris is really fond of these body clips, and this tool from Channel Locks is really good. It's like an end cutters. I'll put the link in the description, but it works really good at popping these out. And then this lifts out. This is what we want, so we'll get a big crescent wrench. Take off this bezel ring. Conveniently, they put your part number on here and everything, so that's what you can use to look it up on Amazon. You can get the Amazon one for, I think it's like 12-14 bucks, but also if you want to stick with Polaris, you can buy that off their website, and but I think that price is much more. So the customer decided to try the Amazon one. And you see that's all the dielectric grease they put on there. And then be mindful of this keyway here, that matches up to the keyway on this guy. And it's plastic, so don't go too hard. And before we button it all up, let's test it out. And there you go. One thing I will say with this keyway from Amazon, obviously it's not orientated the right direction, but I don't think that's not an issue. Alright, then we'll just put that back together. Push these clips back in. There you have it. Thanks for watching.